Hey guys, this is RLC321, back again with a continuation of the Gundam Sazabi Master Grade 1/100 scale build. Excuse me, I know I said I was going to just do this all live, but the very first build episode of this live, there was only one subscriber watching it. I want to thank her very much for supporting me on that. I really do appreciate it. So I kind of thought to myself, well, it's a bit pointless doing it live if no one's going to really be watching. So I'm going to do the build series, but I'm just not going to edit it. So it'll kind of like be like it's live, but it's not live. If that makes any kind of sense. It's as live. Yeah, we'll use that one. It's going to be as live as can be. So, what we're going to be doing next, we've already done the body. Here, as you can see, we've already done the body. It's not fully clipped into place or anything like that. That's something that we need to, obviously I'm not going to worry about doing that yet, because I want, the idea of this is, as I said in the other video, I need to actually download that and edit that. The idea is to have it so we get a good idea as to how it's going to go, what we need to paint separately, what we can cheat with and get away with. And I think I showed it on the thing. The main light grey part on here, we can paint it all in one go. We don't have to worry about separating it all. So that's the reason we pre-build things to see how it goes. So the next part is the head. Okay, so let's get those bits that we need. So it's looking like we need T, L and I, and let's just go through all of the parts to find out the one that we want. There's T. Alright, well, you're R2. Oh, this is a pain in the backside, I tell you. Right. Q, A, no. There's just so many parts. M, Q, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna need M, yeah, okay. Q, I don't think I'm gonna need, no. P, am I gonna need P? No, so P and Q can go up there. Oh, wait a minute, I might need, let's have a look at this again. So I've got A2, do I need A2? No. Nope. Okay. Q. No, we already know we don't need Q. R. Do we need R? No. Okay. Right. Alright. Right, that's it. They can go up there. Oh yeah. Well, this I think I saw an I in there somewhere. Did I see an I? No, I didn't see an I. Okay, so we don't need that. Oi! A1. No. What about this bad boy? F. Yes, we're definitely going to need F. And we need G as well. So you're K. We don't need you. H, we don't need you. I think you're another H. Yep, you're another H. Oh yeah. B, no. And K. Do I need K? Nope, don't need K either. What flavour are you? You're D, don't need D. Alright. J, no. F2? No, I want F1. Okay, so it's not them. So, you're G. Don't need G. P, no. Oh. Right. N, E2, E1, and S. So where is F? Oh. Your B. Oh, and that's you. G. Yep, I need the G. And L. Probably gonna need the L. Yes, gonna need the L. So it's F. F1 I'm missing. That's F2. I've already got the F1. I've already got the F1. I'm an idiot. You don't have to agree with me on that one. Right, so first things first. We need M12. So that's M, and this part here is M12. Okie dokie. So we just cut these bits off, and like that. So we need M12, M24. M24 is right here. Okay, M24. And L3. Oh, I mean, I'm up here. I6. Your L. Where's I6? What did I do with I? I did have I, didn't I? Positive I had an I. Did I put the I's down? I6, I7. Great. Oh, yeah, now we've got to go through these all again, find out which one's I6 and I7. Your B. Actually, are you down here? J. D. B. Oh, yeah. E. N. S. E. Aha! Found it! I found it. Right, here we go. Here, no, you're P. Okay. Right. H and H. I. K. K again. Right. I. Here we go. The I's have it. So I need these two, I6 and 7. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I mean I remember my very first Gundam model kit I ever built was the 1/100 no grade, the RMS Hardy gun. I think it's RMS Hardy gun that I built as a very first one I've done. So we want those. I need L, M. Oh, don't tell me I haven't got L. I thought I had L. Didn't I? I, F, T, L. Yeah, I did have L. Right. L1. No. L4. That's this one here. L4. Okay, L4 and L5. Now I think these clear parts are not going to get painted, because it's going to have an LED inside it anyway, which is going to make the eye glow. I'm kind of hoping. So I need T12 times 2. T12. Where's T12? Right there. And these are the polycaps. Okay. So you're going right there. Alright, so we do L5, and that goes in such a way where it kind of, don't know if you can see this, but it angles down. There, almost had it. There you go, it angles down. And on the I6, which is not that one, this one, with that angle piece angling down, that fits into here. Okay, so I think I'm going to have to be careful with that, because I don't know how easy that's going to be to come back out again. Should be relatively easy. So that goes in there. And then we do this. And it's saying these have got to go in a set direction, which is obviously only this away. And so that goes on there. And that one goes on there. Okay, like that. And then we get this. That goes into there. Like so. You in? Are you in? Yep, you're in. Okay. And then this. We got a bit of flash on there, that's going to interfere with things. Right there. So let's just scrape that off. There we go. Scrape that off a bit. And then this should line up nicely. Or not, as the case may be. Really? Come on. Are you guys interfering with it? Right, long way round. Right, okay. There we go. Nope. Right, okay, so it's... Let's try putting these into there. Making sure they're in, because it looks like they're the ones that are stopping it. Okay. And that's not in quite right. So straighten them out. Try this again. And place them in. That side's not going in for whatever reason. Okay, so that's not going in. Let's open up this hole just a little bit more, just to help it in. And we'll do the same with the other side as well, I think, just to make life a little bit easier. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Right, so hopefully that one's popped in nicely. This one hasn't yet. Okay. There we go. And then this should just pop in nicely, just like that. There we go. Right, okie dokie. So, let me get that. I don't even know how much of that was you were able to see. But there you go, that's what you get. Alright. Next is L3. So that's this little doohickey right here. Now what we're going to have to do, I'm not going to actually cut out L3. That's really small. So I don't think I'll use that. Not yet, because it's got a couple of clear pieces that go on it and I don't want to lose them. Excuse me. But it's not going to interfere with the build. Say, this part I needed because that actually pops into something else. So this is needed. Okay, so we get the M thingy here, and that plugs into there, like so. This way. Or should you go in first? You go in first, don't you? Yeah, okay. So let's undo you again. There we go. So you go in here. That'll do. And then that goes in there. Doesn't it? Wait, hang on. Let's move that back out of the way. I've got that back to front. Of course I did, of course I did. This goes... You're supposed to go inside it. Come on, find the hole. Find the hole. There it is. There we go. So that goes there, and that other little piece that I missed out will go into here. And what this will do, the light should shine through there and then come out to here, so it'll light up the eyepiece. In theory. Okay. Right. So then it's got L2 and F21. L2 is this part here, which is the front visor. Again, I'm not going to worry about that. And F1, we can do that though. Are you F? Yes, you are. You're F21, which is this little doohickey here. And you, looks like you're going just in there, like so. Okay, so that goes there, I think. Yep. Alright, so then we get F111 and F118. F111. Alright, there's 18, which is almost falling off. And F111, which is this little doohickey over here. There we go. And again, as I say, I'm not worrying about sanding or anything just yet. And that will fit onto there. Just like that. And getting rid of these nub marks, because I'm going to do that all before painting anyway. So then that's done. So I need to get M25, M25, which is this one right here. Right. And M25 is going to clip onto that, but that's got a nasty on there. So we need to just remove that bit there. Clip that on there. There we go. Got a nice satisfying clip, and it hurt like hell. Right, G. Didn't I bring a G? Oh goodness me, I didn't bring the G. Right, G. G, right. G8, which is the back cowling of the head. Do you know, I think all model kit manufacturers should do undergates. I know Bandai have done some parts in their own model kit ranges where it's undergated, but I think all of them should do that. I think that make it a lot better. Right, so this bad boy gets put into there. And as you can see, this is a different colour red to the other one. So that's going to have to be painted separately. But we can have these, glue these together, so because they're all the same colours, I think. There's no other, it's not telling me to put anything different on. So they can be glued together and painted as one piece. Okay, so then this goes on somewhere. Goes on about there, I believe. Like so. So that goes on there. And then we need L1, which don't need to worry about because it's an effect part. And then we need F, which is a UF. Yes, you are. 19. No. Well, yeah, I will be needing 19. Okay. So we'll be needing that. I'll be needing this. And 12, which is over here. Which I've just thrown on the floor. Of course I did. Oh yeah, there we go. Right. So, so this little doohickey is just to make sure this part is like there. Now, what it's showing you in the instructions is, if I get this to focus, this part here on this like this, you got to make sure it's facing that way. That little part that I just showed you has got to face that way. And that's got to go in here. Okay. So that's like that. And then that should go in there. Alright, yeah, it goes in there like that. Okay. And then this should slide onto here. Like so. And then we're able to close, we should, in theory, be able to close the box. Close it down. Get that up there. Like so. Let's put you back on. There. Okay. So that's that part done. And what else is there for the head? That's it for the head. So the head is pretty much complete. Okay, there we go. There's the head. So let's put him on the body, see what he looks like. He goes in there. There we go. The head and body of the temporary build complete. There you go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave this one here because we're gonna have to do the next one is gonna be the arms, which there's gonna be an awful lot of stuff to do with the arms. I'm only gonna do one arm because I think they are pretty much exactly the same. It's just one for one side, one for the other. Yeah, it looks like it is, yeah. Except when you get to the hands. And I will talk through these hands as well, because I actually really like these kinds of hands. I think they're absolutely brilliant. But excuse me, please. We'll talk through them, and when we get to that part. And so it's going to be the arms. The next video is going to be the arms and the shoulders, I believe. Yep, arms and the shoulders. Yep. Yeah, that's what it's going to be. So, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do apologise it's not going to be live builds anymore. We're just going to do this as live, and you're going to see it all completely uncut as I'm doing it. So it's going to be pretty much like it's live, but not, for want of a better word. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Hopefully you'll look forward to seeing the next video. Now, I'm going to say something I don't normally say. Once in a while, I'll probably say, if you're enjoying my videos or anything like that, please feel free to share them. Spread the word. If you like my videos, like it. If you don't like it, don't like the video, that's fine. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe. I've got plenty of content on there, from model kits, all different kinds of model kits, resin, plastic, vinyl, you know, all different kinds of genres as well, sci-fi, spaceships, you know. There's even some figures on there. So please feel free to like, subscribe, share it with others, try and get as many people on, because I may do something a bit special if I hit 1,000 subscribers. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll do something really special for one of my most how can I put it? I'll just do a something special. I won't say what it is yet, just in case I can't do it. But yeah, please feel free to do that. As I say, I hardly ever say this, but every now and then I do. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next episode. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.